AI, robotic dentistry, and robotic-driven dentistry will be, I think, the newest topic what we can. Dynamic navigation, static navigation, it is my plan. This is one hand. We go further into the future, which is the present now. And also I try to invite clinicians and researchers who teach in a university and share what they are developing for the future. So my plan is, in 3 days, one part is about the present and the future, and the other part is very practical. My name is Gergely Benyőcs, the organizer of the professional part of the Dental World Endodontic Congress in the last 10 years.
What is the biggest strength of this event? Which makes it stand out of the other similar Congress events?
Well, the most important factor is that we have 3 days endodontic part, which is quite rarely, I think, almost in Europe. And also, on the other hand, you can choose surgery, orthodontics, oral hygiene, etc., etc., live surgeries, live demos for free. So I think everyone who comes to Dental World can find what is looking for in a high quality. So if I would be a visitor, I wouldn't be able to choose which lecture room to go, so the quality is so high. So we are in the trouble sometimes in a good manner.
On what basis were the topics of the lectures chosen?
This year?
Yes.
Yes. This year we switched from more theoretical to more practical. So my idea was this year to invite speakers who are doing researches, who are teaching also, and also doing what we are teaching in theory. So, for example, today we started with failures, which is amazing. Then we continue how to restore biomechanically compromised teeth, and in the afternoon we go for full protocol of ergonomic working position. Yesterday we discussed the shaping, how to remove fractured files, how to prevent them. The inventor of reciproc also was here, so we had an amazing time. And the best is that we were always on full house. So thank you for also the visitors. Without them, there would be nothing.
What is that you personally most enjoyed during this event?
What we do now, conversation, which I like most. Because usually I have to say, unfortunately, I met someone once in a year here at Dental World. And also what I really like to go with the lecturers, speakers and friends for a dinner and have just a small talk and discussing not just about profession but also about life. And this is what I really like in them.
Could you share the most important topics of the Dental World Congress in 2026?
It's still a secret, but now I'm telling you because you and I am here. So AI, robotic dentistry, and robotic-driven dentistry will be, I think, the newest topic what we can. Dynamic navigation, static navigation, it is my plan. This is one hand. We go further into the future, which is the present now. And also I try to invite clinicians and researchers who teach in a university and share what they are developing for the future. So my plan is, in 3 days, one part is about the present and the future, and the other part is very practical. I hope that Omar Ikram from Australia, the president of Australian Society of Endodontology, will come to Budapest having a whole day course. He is a really good teacher for everyday practice. So for the next year, if you come to Dental World, you will know the present, the future, and you will get also useful information for Monday when you go to work, and you can use it in your everyday practice. So please join Dental World 2026.